Hi, I'm Bridget Brager, and today I'm here with Byrdie, taking you through my kit, showing you 5 things that I can't live without. So number 1, my kit is my life. So today I wanted to share my Burton bag. This is the flight deck wheelie bag, and it is as cool as it sounds. It has tons of compartments. This gives me a place for everything, all my little bags, my brushes, my tools. So number 1, my kit. The next thing I want to share with you guys is this really fantastic new product from Herbal Essence's Bio-Renew line, and it is the Blue Ginger Foam Conditioner. I heard this crazy statistic that over 50% of women with fine hair don't condition their hair. So if I could just kind of corral all of these women up and give them a good condition, this is what I would use. What I would suggest is using this foam conditioner mid-shaft to ends, letting it sit, rinse it completely out, and what you'll notice is that your hair is healthier, shinier, it's protected, not only from your styling tools, your blow dryer, your curling iron, but from the elements. I'm really excited about this product. I feel like you've all learned a lot about curling irons and flat irons, which are a necessity, right? But this is kind of the next big thing, I think. It's pretty genius. This is the Amika Polished Perfection Straightening Brush. Super easy, great for every hair type, but what I love it for is actually to change direction of the hair. So you can create volume with this baby. You simply brush the direction you want to go and then take it out. If I have somebody who I've just done like this beautiful polished wave with, I can take this brush, large sections, and brush through roots to ends again, kind of haphazardly, and it just relaxes the wave that I created. So it's a super versatile tool, and I think you guys should check it out. Next, I want to share with you kind of my prized possessions. These are my hair accessories, and I think they're super great because the hair accessories can really turn up your outfit. So this one in particular I used on Zoe Deutsch for a Rodarte event. Super cute, it was like messy waves, and then we just kind of clipped it here. This one I'm dying to use, and I haven't yet, but I found this, I think, at the Rose Bowl a couple months ago. This piece is Jennifer Behr. I mean, it's outrageously gorgeous. So anyway, these are just a couple of my favorite pieces, and I want every woman at least once in their life to throw an accessory in their hair and take a picture, because it's a lasting memory, it's a look, and it's fun. So the last thing I want to share with you is the Hourglass Confessions Ultra Skinny Lipstick in the First Time. It's the perfect peachy pink nude. It's great on every skin tone. It instantly revives you, at least me anyway, and if I could pass this on to one person and make them as happy as it has made me, I'm living. So there you have it. Those are my just 5 things. Happy to share with you. Thanks for watching.